Yo, what's going on, everybody? Jeremiah Vegan here. I am your host that does the most. In today's episode, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to reach out to influencers and how to get influenced to sell your products. Okay. First of all, I wanted to say make sure you guys check in the description below and click on the playlist that talks about influencer marketing, as I will be doing a series of videos on influencer marketing because I get a lot of requests on this. And I think that it would be very beneficial for you. It helps my watch time, helps me get the word out there a lot more quicker and faster. And it helps me build my brand a little bit more, which is good for you guys as well. So while you're doing that, I'll also wait for you to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell. If you're watching this on Facebook, go ahead and go on my profile and select see first so you can see all my posts first. I always teach you guys how to get this thing done. I'll wait. Alright, if you're not familiar with who I am, I'm a personal brand consultant and I specialize in building people's online presence. If you're a blogger, stuff like that, a YouTuber, or if you just want to be a personal brand as an extension of your business, I'm the guy that you would speak to. And last year, I was able to build a influencer from 250 subscribers to 4,000 subscribers, and we was able to make 2,500 our first week just by selling a $50 product. So you don't need a whole lot of subscribers, okay? And now we're going to talk about how to reach out to influencers. If you're not familiar with influencer marketing is essentially a personal brand, a brand like an individual that has a established audience online. If you're first starting out, I would get a influencer that has an audience from 3,000, 10,000, 20,000, 70,000 range. If I'm not mistaken, you want to reach out to someone that has a established audience but not a super huge audience when you're first starting out, unless you got the budget for it. Because if you go for someone with a huge budget that has like 1 million subscribers, it's going to cost you a lot of money. So I would just go for influencers that have like an established audience, but it's not too big, okay, where they're not like unreachable. You know what I mean? And there's different ways that you can go about influencer marketing. It's very beneficial and it's trendy right now. It helps businesses sell products, all right, because they already have trust with influencer. So you want to get an influencer that has your ideal audience. Let me give you guys an example of why influencer marketing is so vital and how it can help your business grow. Alright, so this company called FabFitFun is $1 million company, okay? Let's look up some stuff about FabFitFun. What does influencer marketing offer FabFitFun that offers that other methods of marketing can't? Okay, matter of fact, let's go to this one. How has the industry perception toward influencer marketing changed in the last few years? Influencer marketing has always been an integral, I think that's integral, part of our community, but now we're using influencers in a larger capacity than we did 3 years ago. In spring 2013, we launched our ambassador program where we hand-selected some of our favorite bloggers to contribute editorial content to our site. A year later, we launched our influencer marketing program where we partner with 20 influencers on Instagram and YouTube to promote our spring 2014 box. We're now collaborating with over 1,000 influencers each season, and within the last year and a half, our influencer marketing team has more than quadrupled. Okay, so it's working. I get a lot of followers that have a hair boutique stores and stuff like that. So I'm going to use that as an example on how to find an influencer for this ideal niche, but you can apply the same technique to your niche. Okay, let's say, for example, we want to find someone that does hair products, and that would be an influencer for our hair products, okay? So we can type in stuff that we feel will be relevant towards our ideal niche, okay? Let's type in hashtag hair goals. It has over 4 million posts. All right, let's look up some posts. You see somebody. A lot of people showing off their hair and stuff like that. Oh, look at the pretty baby. Let's click on her, see what she got going on.
Say my name, if no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. The other day I will call.
Okay, so she obviously is doing hair, giving you tips. I can already tell that this is a business page, like where they accumulated a bunch of videos related to curly hair, I'm assuming. And I know this because they already plugged this person in, because you can't just steal people's videos, take people's videos and not give them credit for it. So they got the hashtags, they want traffic towards their page. I'm assuming to sell something, but we want a hair influencer, right? So we're going to reach out to her, see what she got going on. All right, so A Sierra looks like she has 956 posts, 776,000 followers. Okay, this is a sweet spot. Okay, this is pretty decent. Okay, I'm looking at her profile. A lot of times they might have their email or their website or something like that where you can reach them. So she's promoting her YouTube channel. That's what it looks like. Because I don't see any other way to contact her other than DMing her. You can DM her. I don't know if I can DM on here, but I like to use a computer, so I reach out to people through emails if I can. Let's click on her YouTube channel. YouTube channel, 42,000 subscribers, so people pay attention to her, okay? I just out of curiosity, let's see what her most popular video is. We're going to go to sort by, most popular. How to clip extensions on a TWA, super short, natural. Y'all gonna have to bear with me. I don't know anything about hair. So, but it looks like she got a video that was posted 3 years ago and it has over 324,000 views. So she has a nice little influence. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to reach out to her. Now, when you're on somebody's YouTube channel page, if you click on about, they typically got their information in here. Yep, see. She got her website, and we got her email. So you can reach out to her and approach her professionally without being too spammy or being a bozo about, collaborate her with some sort of way. And I got I did a video on how to approach an influencer, and what type of script that you would need to do when you're either DMing them, like direct messaging them on Instagram, or if you like sending them an email. I did a video on that. So I'm not going to talk about it in this video. Just watch it, because you can't just reach out to influencers any kind of way unless you don't want to get responded to. So we're going back on Instagram and we're looking at her following, right? One thing that we need to do, this is absolutely vital to your business, okay? If she has your ideal audience, or if an influencer has your ideal audience, what we want to do is we want to make sure that they have engagement, because people can buy followers and subscribers. So we want to make sure their engagement is on point. A lot of times, matter of fact, sometimes the engagement may even be more important than the followers. So if you got if they got a lot of engagement and they got not as many followers, I will go with the engagement, because that means people are paying attention to this person. So let's click on something. Okay, she looks like she covered a bunch of stuff. Fashion. Let's look up fashion, naturalista, all that kind of stuff. So let's click on, let's just test what her let's just take a look at her engagement. Yo, okay, look, I've already seen engagement. I need that foundation. Wow, that foundation has your skin looking flawless. Stunning, looks amazing on you. So cute, beautiful picture. Going to have to check this foundation out. See, so people are already interested in this foundation just because she was testing it out. So if you do a brand like this, You can get someone to just do a video just like this, and they can say in the description, you can have them say in the description, this is my foundation. Okay, look, press play to see my current flawless foundation routine. The new Bobbi Brown Silky Smooth Long Wear Weightless Foundation. Blah, blah, blah. All of my blemishes stay matte. I don't know what that means. Without making my skin look dull and match my skin. I put the foundation on at 3 p.m. wore it all day until 12 a.m. It held up pretty good. How does it look? This foundation is now available at Sephora and Nordstorms. I'm wearing 675 Golden Almond. Okay. All right. So she already shouted them out. This new foundation is now available at Sephora. Okay. So Sephora probably getting it together right now. Look, 13.6 million followers. They doing okay. I can guess that they doing okay. So this could be you. This definitely can be you, okay? That's just an example of how you can reach out to followers. You can do the same thing on YouTube. Let's go on YouTube. Let's type in hair goals. Nah, let's type in something else. My new kinky twist, I think. But I don't know nothing about hair. Let's do my new kinky twist. How to do kinky twist step by step on your hair tutorial.
Hello and welcome to step number 2 of the Kinky Twist Extensions hairstyle. In this step, I will be teaching you step by step how to do the kinky twist braiding.
She got a lot of subscribers. So she looks like she got the plug already. She looks like she she looks like she got her own thing going. Personally, I want to look for someone that, I mean, I guess you can reach out to her. Let's see what else she got. You could probably reach out to her. Let's see what she do. Our instructor, welcome to How to Black Hair's official second channel. This channel is dedicated to providing step-by-step high-quality hairstyling tutorials. Okay, boom. Okay, so she's good, and she got her email here. So what you can do is you can actually reach out to her and say if you sell hair or something like that. You can definitely reach out to her and have her say like this hair was brought to you by blah blah blah, and you can, you know, have your website, have them forward them to your website or to your store or whatever the case may be. I don't know nothing about much hair, so I might sound crazy to you, but this is just an example, okay? I hope this video has helped you guys as far as how you can reach out to different influencers so you can get an idea. Like I said, if you want to know how to approach an influencer, I did a script that goes over how you can reach out to them, what things that you need to say, what you could say. Don't take that script word for word. It's only used for an example because they're going to notice that if it's been used a bunch of times. So you got to create your own type of format, if that makes sense. All jokes aside, guys, man, I know I'm being silly. I'm tired. But I hope this video helps you. Make sure that you subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow at 11 a.m. I do videos every day, so stay tuned.